Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link an EA account to Epic Games. All right, so first up, you need to go ahead and download Epic Games Launcher. If you don't have it yet on your computer, you got to open up your favorite browser and find Epic Games Launcher. Okay, go ahead and click on download right here, and then go ahead and click on download at the very top, or install in Windows right here. Install it, follow simple prompts, and once done, log in with your Epic Games account. Okay, now this one will open. Now what you're doing here is just go ahead over to your library and find an EA game. Say, for example, you have a Battlefield, a Sims, okay, or any other EA sports games. If you have it in here, go ahead and download it, install or download, and once installed, just go ahead and click on play. As when you go ahead and hit on play, and when the game loads, it will then automatically prompt you to log in with your EA account. Okay, once logged in, automatically your EA account and Epic Games account will be linked. Okay, you won't be able to do it under EA or the EA website right here. As you can see, when we go ahead over to connected accounts, we won't be able to see Epic Games right here. All right, so the only way to link it is by playing the game and logging in with your EA account. That is it. That's how simple it is to link an EA account to Epic Games. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.